Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create a membership site where users can sign up, log in, and access exclusive content? In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to create a membership website using Wix without writing a single line of code. First of all, go to wix.com and log into your account. Click Create New Site. Then click Studio Template. Now search for blog or community. You can also start with a blank template if you want full control, or any template that fits your style. Once inside the Wix editor, go to App Market from the left sidebar. Wait a minute. Wix gives you a lots of template like lifestyle blog, news blog, design blog, etc. So now from the left sidebar, click App Market, search for Members area, or Wix Members area. This instantly adds login and logout buttons, a member profile page, and a registration form. Click Add to Site. Wix automatically creates member pages like my account, profile, my subscriptions. You can customize these pages to match your brand or add new private pages just for members. Now let's create exclusive content. Add a new page. Go to pages settings. After finishing, from Wix site, you can see sites. Wait a few minutes. Or go back to, then go to page settings from your pages section, then go to permissions and choose members only. This page will only be visible to people who are logged in. Want to change for access? Go to the App Market again and add the Wix Pricing Plans app. Create different tiers like free, premium, or VIP, and set pricing and access rules. Head to Site Members, set 10 settings to customize your registration and login forms. You can ask for extra information like name, phone number, or add a custom welcome message after sign up. Use Wix automations to welcome new members, remind them about renewals, or send exclusive content. For example, send a thank you email when someone signs up for a paid plan. Before you publish, test everything. Preview your site, sign up as a fake member, try to access members only pages, and check if your automation emails work. From pages section, you can add many other pages like politics, business, technology, it's before you publish, test everything, preview your site, sign up as a fake member. Once everything looks good, click publish from the right sidebar. Your membership site is now live and ready for new users. Bonus tips. Use the Wix blog or Wix video apps for member only content. Add a community forum for engagement. Connect a payment gateway for paid plans. Use SEO tools to drive traffic to your sign up page. Go to App Market. Now search for Wix pricing plans and install the app. Just click Add to Site. So that's how you create a fully functional membership website using Wix. Then click Open and your plan is added like that. You can change the font, currency. Just click Manage Plans. Then click Get Started. Then click Create Plan. Now give it a name, description, and follow the process. And if you're if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.